McChicken.
And when you love
McChicken.
and you always get
McChicken.
everyone gets a
McChicken.
for $2. Get more value when you order from the under $3 menu.
Southwest boarding begins now.
Oh no. Group C.
I thought you checked us in last night.
Well, I was a minute late.
I can't have a middle seat. Just hurry up. We gotta sit together. No. Move it faster. It's pandemonium.
Act natural.
Is this seat taken?
You gotta ask him.
I am not sitting in a middle seat. Get out of the way.
Tornado emergency for South Central Warren County. The National Weather Service in Cincinnati has issued a tornado warning for South Central Warren County and southern Dayton until 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over southern Cincinnati, moving northeast at 18 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for South Central Warren County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. And lime-size hail. Source: Train Weather Spotters. Impact: You're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely a complete destruction as possible. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marlin County until 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Morgan County and Johnson County, moving southwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gust and marble-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. For your protection, move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Paul gets hella drunk, so expect some stupid things on this one.
How far is that, Scott? How far?
James S. Murray, I now pronounce you the worst videographer they've ever met. Everybody cheers on.
The National Weather Service in has issued a flood flash warning for oh my god. Flash flood warning for the following. Holy hell, I'm gonna.
Holy shit, someone call 911, he's out cold again, somebody Paul fainted again, oh my god,
Oh.